show you how to make the homemade pasta or gnocchi. So this is the potato-based pasta. So this is something that you do ahead of the time, and then when you're ready to use it, we'll create this sauce on the oil pan. Brown up the onions a little bit until they get a nice golden color, and then to that we will add some a little bit of the ground meat. I kind of like to use the mixture of the beef and pork. You can use only pork or veal or even turkey or chicken, whichever one you prefer. It's really up to you. So we'll just mix it very quickly on the pan. So the meat will change the color, and so this is how it gets cooked, and will not release its own juices. So it doesn't need to be cooked for too long, but yeah, as long as you get a nice brownish color, and then you see also the sizzle there with the oil, so then you know like the meat is kind of cooked. And then you add either, I like to use the tomato sauce, which will have a little bit of the vegetables in there, just to add more to this meal, which can be served on its own, or as a side dish to something else. So, and then I also like to use this passata, which is only strained tomatoes. So like a little bit of mixture of both, and then that will create really nice sauce for this gnocchi. So like I said, doesn't need to be cooked for too long. Once you add it up, like let it simmer on for another 5-10 minutes, and that should be done. So in the meantime, in the larger pot, bring the water to boil, and once boiling, we'll add this gnocchi that are pre-made. And most of the time I actually put them in a freezer because they take some time to do it. So for me, it's easier to make them like whenever I have time, and then when I want to cook them, then I just take them out of the freezer. So they cook about 10 minutes or so in the boiling water. But you'll know they're done once they float up to the top of the water, and then strain them. And once they are strained, then we'll add them up to this sauce that we created, and on a low temperature, kind of stir them on this pan while this is kind of be cooking still, but as long as they get really nicely coated with this sauce. And there you have either side dish, or that could be your full meal. Enjoy. Have a good day.